A devastating 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck Afghanistan's western Herat province, leaving approximately 2,000 casualties, according to the Taliban. Rescue operations are ongoing, and the death toll may still rise. Initial UN estimates suggested around 100 fatalities and 500 injuries, with nearly 500 houses destroyed and 135 buildings damaged. The disaster has further exacerbated Afghanistan's economic woes, affecting over 4,200 individuals. Neighboring provinces also felt the initial quake and subsequent aftershocks.